The Google Pixel lineup has always been known for its cameras, clean Android experience, and smart AI features, but for years, Pixel users have also faced some common complaints, including heating issues, battery efficiency concerns, and unstable cellular connectivity. Now, according to the latest leaks, Google may finally be ready to solve those problems with the upcoming Pixel 11 Pro and Pixel 11 Pro XL. A new wave of leaks has revealed almost everything about Google's next flagship smartphones. And if these details turn out to be accurate, Pixel 11 series could become one of the biggest smartphone upgrades in recent years. Starting with the displays, Google is reportedly preparing two premium devices. The Pixel 11 Pro is expected to feature a 6.3-inch LTPO OLED display, while the larger Pixel 11 Pro XL could arrive with a massive 6.8-inch LTPO OLED panel. Both screens are rumored to support adaptive refresh rates ranging from just 1 Hz all the way up to 120 Hz. This technology allows the display to intelligently adjust its refresh rate depending on what you're doing. For example, when reading an article or viewing a photo, the refresh rate can drop significantly to save battery life. But when scrolling through apps, watching videos, or playing games, it can instantly jump to 120 Hz for a much smoother experience. The display upgrades do not stop there. Both smartphones are expected to offer a peak brightness of up to 2,450 nits, making outdoor visibility much better even under direct sunlight. Google is also rumored to include 240 Hz PWM dimming, which could help reduce screen flickering and improve eye comfort during extended use. However, the biggest upgrade may be happening under the hood. According to recent leaks, Google is preparing a brand new Tensor G6 processor for the Pixel 11 series. This chip is expected to be manufactured using TSMC's advanced 2nm process technology. That is a huge step forward and could bring major improvements in both performance and power efficiency. For a long time, Pixel smartphones have been criticized for thermal management issues. Heavy gaming, camera usage, extended multitasking could sometimes cause the devices to heat up. The Tensor G6 is expected to address these concerns with a more efficient architecture and improved thermal performance. Early benchmark information suggests that the Tensor G6 could feature an unusual 7-core CPU design, boost speeds reaching up to 3.38 GHz. While exact performance numbers remain unknown, expectations are already high because of the move to the advanced 2nm manufacturing process. Another major change could involve connectivity. Google is reportedly planning to move away from Samsung's modem technology and adopt the MediaTek M90 modem instead. This change could significantly improve 5G connectivity, signal stability, and overall network performance. For many Pixel users, better cellular reception has been at the top of the wish list for years, making this one of the most important rumored upgrades. Security is also expected to remain a major focus. The Pixel 11 Pro and Pixel 11 Pro XL are rumored to include Google's Titan M3 security chip. This dedicated security hardware helps protect user data from various threats, including hardware-level attacks, unauthorized access attempts, and boot time tampering. When it comes to cameras, Google appears ready to continue its tradition of delivering some of the best smartphone photography in the industry. The leaked camera setup suggests a powerful triple camera system on both models. This includes a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. While the hardware itself already sounds impressive, Google's real strength has always been software and AI-powered image processing. The company is expected to further improve its computational photography algorithms, resulting in better image quality, enhanced zoom performance, more accurate colors, and stronger low-light photography. If these improvements become reality, the Pixel 11 series could once again set new standards for smartphone cameras. Battery life is another area receiving attention. According to the leaks, the Pixel 11 Pro may feature a 5,000 mAh battery, while the Pixel 11 Pro XL could include a slightly larger 5,100 mAh battery. Combined with the efficiency gains from the Tensor G6 chip and adaptive LTPO displays, these devices could offer noticeably better battery life compared to previous generations. Charging speeds are also expected to improve. Both phones are rumored to support up to 45-watt wired charging. In addition, Support for Qi 2 and Pixel Snap magnetic charging could bring a more convenient wireless charging experience, similar to magnetic charging systems seen on other flagship devices. On the software side, Pixel 11 series is expected to launch with Android 17 right out of the box. Google is also rumored to continue its commitment to long-term support by offering up to 7 years of software and security updates. That means buyers could potentially receive updates well into the next decade, making these phones among the most future-proof Android devices available. Overall, the leaked specifications paint a very promising picture. Better performance, improved thermals, stronger connectivity, flagship cameras, larger batteries, faster charging, and 7 years of updates could make the Pixel 11 Pro and Pixel 11 Pro XL some of the most exciting smartphones of 2026. Of course, these details are still based on leaks, and official confirmation from Google is yet to arrive. But if even most of these upgrades become reality, Pixel 11 series could finally address the biggest complaints users have had for years. What do you think about the Pixel 11 Pro and Pixel 11 Pro XL? Are these upgrades enough to make you switch to Google's next flagship? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications for more smartphone leaks, news, and updates.